All right, Scooter Pack fans, we've been dealing with Topps products. We're going to round out 1989 with some Bowman, which is a Topps product or a Topps offshoot, if you will. So 1989 Bowman rack pack. This is going to give us 38 cards in this rack pack, and it looks like maybe this card up here is got a little bit of a nick in it. That's unfortunate. These cards were a bit oversized, if you will, and I don't think they were overly popular. You do get like a advertisement card that gives you a print, like a lithograph, which will be pretty cool, and that looks like that could be a Yankee. And don't really see anybody too spectacular on back. Got my list for 1989 Bowman. The rookies that we're looking for are Tino Martinez. That's going to be the big one at $2. At $1.50 a piece, Gary Sheffield and John Smoltz. Smoltz made the Hall of Fame in 2015. And I actually stand corrected. The big one's going to be the Ken Griffey Jr. Apparently his rookie card is in this set. It's going to be a $10 card. And he made the Hall of Fame in 2016. At 40 cents, Sandy Alomar Jr. And at 75 cents a piece, Steve Finley and Robin Ventura. There are no error cards where corrected cards were made. Check out that price tag says cheap. $1.17 plus tax. We'll take it. All right, y'all, let's get into this. I only have one of these in the stash. I think I got two from McNulty Sports Cards, but we opened up one already. So I wouldn't mind picking up this in a rack pack box. Haven't really priced them, but that would be cool to have. All right, y'all, here we go. Corners are looking decent as far as I can tell, with the exception of this top card here. We're going to have to see if we can't try and figure out who they are by the front, but this one I have no clue. So Juan Neves is going to have to go. Actually looks like we fixed it. All right, so we're okay for now. Juan Neves. I believe that's going to be Larry Sheets. Not sure on that one. Scott Fletcher. Ho, there it is. Nice. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Ken Griffey Jr. And that, I believe, is going to be his rookie card. Is it card number 220? It is. Nice. Ken Griffey Jr.'s rookie. Made the Hall of Fame in 2016. That's going to be a $10 card. That's awesome, y'all. Awesome pulling that Ken Griffey Jr. That's key. Front and center. Nice. Oh, that makes for the pack right there. The rest of these can be common cards. We've got Brian Harper, Glenn Wilson, Steve Farr, Charlie Huff, Jeff Ballard, Darrell Evans for the Braves. There's Paul Molitor. Very nice on the Paul Molitor. We'll throw him some love. Rick Sutcliffe. Jim Rice. Phenomenal player Jim was. Ty Griffin. It's going to be his rookie card, but not a notable rookie card, according to Beckett. Jamie Quirk. That card's looking a bit blurry. Scott Medvin. Steve Searcy. Mike Schmidt, very nice on the Mike Schmidt. Throw him some love. Mookie Wilson. Scott Bankhead. Sid Fernandez. Robin Ventura. And that's going to be one of our rookie cards as well. Card number 65. It's going to be worth 75 cents on the Robin Ventura rookie. Very nice. Ron Jones. Jeff Bittiger. Mike Marshall. Bob Walk. Nice. There's our lithograph card of Ed Whitey Ford. Very nice on that. There is some value to these too, by the way. We'll throw him. Phenomenal painting up there. We'll throw that up there. Ron Oyster. Kurt Manwaring. Not sure. Hugh Walker. Doug Drabeck. Craig Lefferts. Rick Mahler. Glenn Hubbard. Oh, nice. Look at that. Sweet Lou Whitaker. That's how he signs it. I love it. Very nice. Longtime teammate of Alan Trammell. Throw him up there, of course. Candido Maldonado. That must be his full name. Also known as Candy Maldonado. Floyd Bannister. I'm not sure. Frank DePino. And finally, Mark Langston. Good deal on that. So who did we pick up, y'all? Picked up that Mike Schmidt. Phenomenal player, long-time career. Very nice. Picked up sweet Lou Whitaker, as well as Paul Molitor. Now, these two are both connected to Alan Trammell. Lou Whitaker was a longtime teammate of Alan Trammell and started at the same time, 1978. His rookie year is actually 78, and he has his own. He's got a rookie second baseman card for 78 tops. I believe it's card 705, but don't quote me, and I don't remember who else is on the card. Paul Molitor's rookie card was also in 1978, and he shared that card with my GOAT, Alan Trammell. Card number 707 for 1978 tops. It was a rookie shortstops card. It had Paul Molitor, Alan Trammell, Mickey Klutz, and UL Washington. So we throw Molitor some love. Got a sweet lithograph card of Whitey Ford. Very nice. That's going to be his 1951 Bowman card right there. That's awesome. Picked up our rookie card of Robin Ventura. It's going to be a 75 set card. And the best card to get in the set. That is sweet. Some great corners. That centering looks, if it's not 100%, it's got to be 99.9%. Ken Griffey Jr. That's awesome. What an awesome card to get. Ken made his professional baseball debut at Bellingham in 1987. He played at San Bernardino and Vermont in 1988. $10 card right there. That's awesome. All right, folks, there you have it. 1989 Bowman 38 card rack pack from McNulty Sports Cards. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned. That's it for 1989. It's going to be it for today as well, the 5th of March, 2026. We'll see if we might not get a chance to do any tomorrow, but the next time we do videos, we will we'll continue with tops, starting with 1990. Take care.